Step 2 CS. Do it once, do it right. Do it with Target USMLE. We at Target USMLE have compiled our very own CS handbook. It is authored by Dr. Mary June, who is well known for co-authoring the third edition of the First Aid CS book. Our book features a foreword from Dr. Juliana Jung, who is the CS exam director at Johns Hopkins University. It has a 5-star rating on Amazon and other e-commerce websites. Target USMLE Clinical Skills Handbook is available across many e-commerce platforms. Get it today. Now, we all read the same books, but we all don't get the same scores as we understand and apply differently. So sometimes reading a book is just not sufficient. For this reason, we have created the first ever video tutorial course called the 7 Easy Steps to CS. This goes hand in hand with the CS handbook. It is designed to teach you how to pass CS easily from the comfort of your home. Over the last decade, students from about 111 countries have used the CS handbook in conjunction with the video tutorials and passed Step 2 CS with flying colors. It is now the #1 choice for IMGs. Here's an overview of what each step is. Step 1 teaches you A to Z of Step 2 CS. What you need to do from knocking on the door to exiting the patient encounter room. Step 2. We teach you the questions for data gathering, system-wise, and more importantly, what to infer from the answers. Step 3. Teaches you how to perform physical exam for each system for CS in the shortest time possible. Step 4. This is mini cases. This is a database of 70+ cases in an easy table format to memorize differential diagnosis based on chief complaint. Step 5. It shows you how to put together all that you have learned in steps 1 through 4 in a full encounter of 15 minutes. Step 6. It teaches you how to type patient notes in 10 minutes. Important points to help you with passing the ICE component of the exam. Step 7. After you finish the CS handbook with the online video tutorials steps 1 through 6, it's time to get assessed by CS experts at Target USMLE. Dr. June and her team of MD tutors will help you to identify your individual weaknesses and strengths and advise you how to correct your deficiencies and connect the dots to perform at 100% confidence in the real CS exam. Our video course is available on our website www.targetusmle.com. Step 2 CS, do it once, do it right, do it with Target USMLE.